Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn about how we are going to host a static website to the AWS S3 bucket. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So go to the AWS management console. So here we have to sign it with the console. After adding the details, you have to just sign in with the whatever. If you have the account id, then you have to log in with the account id. I have the root user, so enter the username and the password. uh, Registering your mfa root initial requires 32 days. Is there any skip for now? Now you have to go to the s3 bucket. Okay, after the s3 bucket, you have to create the s3 bucket, which I already discussed in the last video. So here you can see that I have the already bucket. Okay, so this is your first step. After that, upload html files. Open the bucket, click on upload, add the file, select your index about whatever file assets. So here you have to upload. So here I have, so I'll go with the upload. So just here add files. So here we go with the html. Here we have, I guess what the folder name is, static website. What are the documents in the projects? Static website, index html. Okay, add files with style.css. Okay, upload. These have been uploaded successfully. Okay, after that, enable static website hosting. Go to the bucket properties tab. Okay, then go to the properties tab, right? So go back, close, go to the property tabs, and here scroll down to the static website hosting. Static website hosting. There is a static website hosting. Okay, and after this, choose enable. Hosting types should be host or static website. Okay, and here edit, static website is disabled, so let's enable it. Okay, host a static website, right? And after that, index.html we require, and it is optional. Okay, redirect routes, so you can mention the rules over there, so you can learn it from here if there is a redirection rules. Save the changes. Okay, after saving the changes, your endpoint is this one. If I just open this endpoint, my static website says code access denied, message denied, request host id forbidden. Okay, save the changes. You will see the bucket endpoint URL something like this. Yes, but it's not working. I don't know. Let me check what exactly happening over there. Just give me 1 minute. Now here you can see that I am successfully able to launch a static website. What is the issue? For the permissions tab, go to the permissions tab, right? Permissions, you have to add this bucket policy. So this is the bucket policy which I have added. So just use this bucket policy and save this, and you are going to host any of the static website. If you want the custom domain or something, you can let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you understand what I have done. Any doubt, any query, do let me know in the comment section. Have a great day.